Chris Williams is taking on a new role with the Jamaica Basketball Association, JABA, as chairman of their commercial arm. 6 months after his resignation as chairman of the Professional Football Jamaica Limited, PFJL, Williams resigned on September 1 of last year. He says his new role with JABA came about after having a conversation with President Paulton Gordon at the historic hosting of the FIBA Americas basketball qualifiers held recently at the National Indoor Sports Center.
I stepped down from football in August last year and, kind of went underground. And then I resurfaced just 2 weeks ago at the basketball games. And he saw me and we're chatting, and of course the basketball games were epic. So I was like, boy, I love it. The vibes was nice and, the energy and so on. And I said, boy, this bug bite me. So I tell him, all right, I'm ready.
In the meantime, Williams says he has no ill feelings towards the PFJL.
So, certainly from my side, there's no relationship issue.
Okay.
It's just, there's no relationship issue. I did 5 years. And, I think 5 years is a long time. 'Cause that's not easy, And so I did it, and I'm proud of it. And I think we did well. And somebody else can try that. So I never really, I don't see any doors closed on the football side.
Williams was speaking on Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill on Monday. Meanwhile, in a release issued on Monday, JABA is said to be exploring the development of a semi-professional league structure that will showcase talent from across Jamaica and the region. In addition to Williams, Denzel Wilkes will chair the competitions committee, working in synergy with the commercial arm to ensure both the sporting and business aspects of the league are strengthened.